गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे सुपरफूड की जो छोटा जरूर है लेकिन आपकी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत बड़ा कमाल कर सकता है, और वो है वॉलनट्स। आप में से कितने लोगों ने कभी वॉलनट खाया है और सोचा है इस छोटी सी नट का मुझे क्या फायदा होगा? आज हम जानेंगे 10 सरप्राइजिंग तरीके जिनके थ्रू वॉलनट्स आपकी हेल्थ को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, especially as we age. We're talking about boosting your heart health, strengthening those bones, and even giving your brain a much needed boost, all with a handful of walnuts a day. And that's where this little nut steps in, packing a powerful punch of nutrients that can make a world of difference. चाहे AAP 50 में, HON 60 में या even 70 में, walnuts offer a treasure trove of benefits जो आपको सरप्राइज कर देंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं और काउंटडाउन के थ्रू डिस्कवर करते हैं क्यों ये हम्बल नट आपका नया बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन सकता है। और फाइनली नंबर 1 पे है इन्फ्लेमेशन से फाइट करना। We've all experienced inflammation in our bodies, whether it's a sprained ankle or a little redness on our skin. But sometimes this inflammation can stick around longer than we'd like, leading to chronic inflammation. This type of inflammation can be a real pain, literally. It can contribute to various health issues from arthritis to heart disease. But don't worry, there's good news. Walnuts are here to help fight the battle against inflammation. These mighty nuts are packed with antioxidants and polyphenols, powerful compounds that act like firefighters in our bodies, neutralizing those harmful inflammatory substances. So next time you feel a twinge in your joints or want to prevent future inflammation, grab a handful of walnuts. Your body will thank you for it. Number 2 पे आता है sleep quality, something I know many of us struggle with, especially as we get older. But what if I told you that a handful of walnuts could be the key to unlocking deeper, more restful sleep? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But it all comes down to a naturally occurring hormone in our bodies called melatonin. So instead of reaching for those sleeping pills with potential side effects, why not try a natural approach? Grab a handful of walnuts before bed, relax, and let the melatonin work its magic. You might be surprised at how much better you sleep. Number 3 P है digestion. As we age, our digestive system can become a bit, sluggish. But just like a well-oiled machine needs the right fuel to run smoothly, so does our digestive system. And that's where fiber comes in. You see, fiber acts like a superhero for our gut. It adds bulk to our stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. So if you're looking for a natural and delicious way to keep your digestive system running smoothly, look no further than the humble walnut. Chapter 4. Keep your heart happy and healthy. Number 4 पे आता है heart health. Now, this one's close to my heart, both literally and figuratively. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but the good news is that we can significantly reduce our risk by making healthy lifestyle choices, including what we eat. And when it comes to heart-healthy foods, walnuts deserve a standing ovation. Walnuts are bursting with a particular type of omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA for short. Now, ALA is a superstar when it comes to heart health. It helps lower bad cholesterol levels, reduces inflammation in the arteries, and even helps regulate blood pressure. So, by incorporating just a handful of walnuts into your daily diet, you're giving your heart a powerful dose of ALA and showing it some love. Chapter 5. Strengthen your immune system. Number 5 पे बात करते हैं immune system की. As we age, our immune system can weaken, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. But fear not, because walnuts are here to be your immune system as best friend. These tiny powerhouses are packed with vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy immune system. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells, weakening our immune system and making us more vulnerable to getting sick. But vitamin E swoops in like a superhero, neutralizing those free radicals and keeping our cells healthy and strong. So next time you're feeling a little under the weather or want to give your immune system an extra boost, reach for a handful of walnuts. Chapter 6. Keep your waistline in check. नंबर 6 पे जो पॉइंट है वो थोड़ा सरप्राइजिंग हो सकता है। वॉलनट्स आपको वेट मैनेज करने में हेल्प करते हैं। We often think of nuts as being high in calories and fat, leading to weight gain. But here's the thing. Not all fats are created equal. Walnuts are rich in unsaturated fats, the good fats that our bodies need to function correctly. These good fats help us feel fuller for longer, preventing those pesky cravings for unhealthy snacks. Not only do walnuts help curb those cravings, but they also provide a good source of protein and fiber, both of which are essential for maintaining a healthy weight. So, next time you're feeling peckish, grab a handful of walnuts and keep those cravings at bay. Number 7 pe hai glowing skin. Who doesn't want healthy, radiant skin? It's one of the first things people notice about us, and it plays a big part in how we feel about ourselves. But as we age, our skin naturally loses some of its elasticity and youthful glow. The good news is that we can nourish our skin from the inside out, and walnuts can be our secret weapon for a more radiant complexion. Walnuts are particularly rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect our skin from sun damage and pollution, two major culprits behind premature aging. By incorporating walnuts into our diet, we're providing our skin with the ammunition it needs to fight back against those environmental aggressors. Chapter 8. Say goodbye to bad cholesterol. Number 8. Pe baat karte hain cholesterol ki. Now, cholesterol often gets a bad rap, but the truth is, our bodies need some cholesterol to function correctly. But here's the catch. There are two types of cholesterol: good cholesterol, HDL, and bad cholesterol, LDL. High levels of bad cholesterol can build up in our arteries, increasing our risk of heart disease and stroke. But don't worry, walnuts can be our allies in the fight against bad cholesterol. By replacing those unhealthy saturated and trans fats in our diet with the heart-healthy, unsaturated fats found in walnuts, we can improve our cholesterol levels and reduce our risk of heart problems. Chapter 9. Sharpen your memory and boost brain power. Number 9 hai brain health. Have you ever noticed how walnuts resemble tiny little brains? Well, it turns out that's not a coincidence. Walnuts have earned their reputation as brain food for a reason. They're packed with nutrients that can help keep our minds sharp, our memory strong, and our cognitive function at its best, even as we age. One of the key brain-boosting nutrients found in walnuts is omega-3 fatty acids, particularly a type called DHA. DHA is a crucial building block of our brain cells and plays a vital role in cognitive function, memory, and learning. As we age, our brain cells can become damaged due to oxidative stress and inflammation, leading to cognitive decline and memory problems. But the omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts act like powerful antioxidants, protecting our brain cells from damage and keeping our minds sharp. Chapter 10. Stronger bones. Number 10 pe hai strong bones. Our bones provide the framework for our bodies, allowing us to move, stand tall, and enjoy an active life. But as we age, our bones naturally lose density, making them weaker and more prone to fractures. Walnuts are a good source of magnesium, a mineral that's crucial for bone health. Think of magnesium as the glue that helps calcium bind to our bones, making them denser and stronger. So by enjoying a handful of walnuts regularly, we're giving our bones the magnesium boost they need to stay strong and resilient. Utro walnuts, your health's best friend. तो ये थे 10 incredible ways walnuts आपकी health को positively impact कर सकते हैं. Stronger bones, sharper minds, better sleep और healthier heart के लिए walnuts truly एक gift from nature हैं. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक जरूर करें और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करें. कमेंट में बताएं कि AAP walnuts को कैसे अपनी डाइट में शामिल करते हैं. और अगर अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन दबाएं ताकि आपको ऐसी ही और हेल्थ टिप्स मिलती रहे. Thank you for watching and here's to a healthier, happier you with the power of walnuts.